That's right guys, on today's video I will show you how I make my effects for Scarlet Witch. There's of course a more professional way to make this effect, but the way that I do it, it's more basic and, well, easy I want to say. And it looks good, and that's what we need. So basically what I use is a fire effect. It works best in a looping fire effect. You can find fire effects on YouTube by searching fire green screen or fire effects green screen fire loop. But for me, I found this fire template on my computer. Once I have the fire effect, I transfer it to my project in After Effects. Then I isolate the effect from the background from a green screen or a black foreground. For a black foreground, we are gonna right click on the footage and select blending mode, and we are going to select add. Now for the color change, I use Video Copilot and color vibrance for the color that I want, but you can also change it under color correction. Video Copilot is a free plugin for After Effects, so you can go ahead and use it for these effects. Now that I have the color that I want, it's time to make it look more magical. So we go to Blur and Sharpen, and we select Vector Blur. Now we only need to change the amount, so we can make it look more magical instead of a fire waves. Once the effect is done, we keyframe it to the character and we are done. This was a very quick demonstration on how I do my effects for my characters. I will keep doing this for every Marvel or DC hero villain that I work on. So thank you guys for watching, and expect Infinity War Part 8 this next Friday. Ciao!